Eggs, my favorite food item. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, anytime, I'm always up for a good egg. And this is how you shop for them and store them. And then you'll know what you have, because there's already a video to show you if it's a good egg or you've held it too long. So look for that one. The first thing you want to look for is certified organic. It's the only real certification that happens in the US. It's a USDA, means that there's no pesticides, no bad chemicals, nothing. The other thing you want to look for is at a bare minimum cage-free, but if you can, free range. Cage-free just means they're not stuck in the cages that could still be a little bit crowded. Free range means they are out and living large. So that's all good. You always want to check for the sell-by or use-by date. The sell-by date actually by law can be up to 30 days past the date that the eggs were laid. The use-by date is 45 days. It's kind of why I go to the farmer's market and buy my eggs, because I know that these were laid about 2 days before I bought them. That's about how long it takes for that egg rancher to wash, grade, and all of that. Eggs come generally in two sizes, large and extra large. The interesting thing is that's because of the weight of the egg and not the actual size of the egg. A large egg is about 2 ounces. So that's always good to know, in case a recipe calls for 4 ounces of egg white or whatever. The other interesting thing is, I like brown eggs, but that's just really the color of the shell. Colored eggshells are just different kinds of chickens. What's inside is all the same, and the change in the taste of the egg has to do with what that chicken has eaten before they laid their eggs. Now, my girlfriend laughs at me. This lovely little egg carton container thing came with my refrigerator. So when I get my eggs at the market, I take them out of here, put them in there. She makes fun of me. She says I'm very fancy. I don't know. You can keep them in the carton though. And that's how you buy eggs.